Hi guys, welcome back to Bolton's YouTube channel. And I'm Bolton, and yeah, please check out my channel at Bolton and his channel that you're watching right now, Bolton. So please subscribe to both our channels and like our videos if you like them. And yeah, let's get started. What do we have today? Pokemon Chilling Region. Yep. Pokemon Chilling Region. Let's unbox it. Do you want to do it? Okay. Wait. Yes. Okay, I'll just do it. I know this. Yeah, but it's easier. So let's just get this. I feel like I'm gonna get another one of those. Another one of what? The ones you already have? Yes. I feel like I'm gonna have. Let's see what you got. Whoa, the layer's so thin. Wait. Let me show them. Let me show them. Let me show them. Put it like this. Shuffle them. Let me show them how thin the Pokemons are. I just want to shuffle them. Okay, let's see what we have. A Heracross. A Curlia. A Yorshifu. A Ronigorius. I already have that. A Graplotcott. I already have this. Iron. We have that. Haunter. And Aron. Okay, everything's so cool. Bye guys. Please subscribe. Bye losers.